but right now they're actually moving pretty good. If you listen pretty closely, you can probably hear them communicate to each other. It's usually in the form of a high-pitched whistle. Each individual dolphin actually has its own signature whistle. To us, that's kind of like our own fingerprint. So it's like, hey Carl, come over here, Cindy. Let's go find some fish. So something that's really cool about these common dolphin, and they travel in these big pods, is the little babies, everyone becomes their family. So not only the mother takes care of the young, so does the whole entire pod. The auntie, the uncle, mom, dad, long distance cousins. If you guys have never been on a boat, you most likely have not seen these guys. They don't come near the beach very often. Usually you probably would be seeing a coastal bottlenose. These guys usually hang out a little bit further offshore, searching for anchovy, sardines, the basic type of bait fish. Most of you guys are most familiar with the bottlenose dolphin. These guys obviously